so faithless, lost under the surface.
Good morning, class. Nice to meet you. So every time you learn in this lesson, I hope that you always meet something new, you always learn something new. If you are busy in learning, it's better than you are free and do nothing. And I hope that you try to study harder and harder every day. Great, everyone. Do you know what are we going to study this session, everyone? Great. For today's session, I will teach you about listening starter 1. We will learn this book together, everyone. This is Listening Starter 1 workbook. Great, everyone. Before we learn about this book, I want you all to take a look at the review parts, lesson review. These are the 5 words that you have learned with me last time, and now I have brought them in order to review and make you understand about these words clearer. Everyone, now please read with me. 1. Boat. Again, boat. 2. Bookstores. Again, bookstore. 3. Difficult. Again, difficult. 4. Interesting. Again, interesting. 5. Fun. Great. Do you understand about the meaning of each word on the whiteboard? Great, I hope you are. Boat, right? We have learned many times about the word boat, right? Boat means a small vehicle traveling on water. Number 2, bookstore, the store that sells book, right? If you love reading, you can go to bookstore and buy it. Number 3, difficult, mean not easy, right? Number 4, interesting, mean want to learn, want to know about something more. Number 5, fun, happy, enjoyable, right? I hope that you are interested in learning, right, everyone? So now read one more time before we move to our lesson focus today. Boat, bookstore, difficult, interesting, fun. Great, I hope that today you have fun. So, do you know what are we going to study today? Great. We are going to learn together about Unit 9, V1. Continue page 36. You can turn on page 36 in our workbook together, everyone. Great. When we turn on page 36, we will see the lesson that we are going to study. Okay, everyone, read together. B. Listen and circle. Mean that I want you all to listen to the audio track 202, and then you need to choose, right? One answer. Okay? We need to choose one answer. Great, everyone. So now please read with me before we listen to the audio track together. Jane plays tennis, basketball very well. Number 2, Tom didn't play well because he was fast, tired. Number 3, the red team did score any goals. 4, they did went skiing last weekend. 5, both teams wanted to lose the game. Okay, everyone, so after we have read the sentences on the whiteboard, now it's time for us to listen to the audio track. And after we listen to the audio track, you need to choose one answer in the bracket here. Great, everyone. So now I give you 5 minutes to listen to the audio track and try to choose one answer. Great, let's start.
B. Listen and circle. 1,
Jane plays tennis very well.
2,
Tom didn't play well because he was tired.
3,
The red team didn't score any goals.
4,
They went skiing last weekend.
5,
Both teams wanted to win the game.
Okay, everyone, so after we have spent 5 minutes to listen and choose the correct answer, and now it's time for us to check together. So, number 1, Jane plays tennis. Basketball. Very well. Which one is the correct word, everyone? Which one is the audio track about? Great. James play tennis. Great. How about number 2? Tom didn't play well because he was fast, tired. So which one, everyone? Great. The correct one is tired, right? What does it mean, tired? Tired means that you feel that you have no more energy, right? You don't have power to do anything. So we can say tired. And what you want to do is you just want to take a rest. Great, everyone. So number 3, the red team did score any goals. So the correct word is didn't, right? Number 4, they did went skiing last weekend. Which one do you choose? Great. Went. Number 5, both teams wanted to win. Lose the game. Win or lose, everyone? Great. No one wants to lose, right? Everyone wants to win. Great, everyone. So now we have noon and we have checked the answer already. So now I will explain to you all. X sentence. Great. Jen plays tennis very well. What tense is it, everyone? Is it in the simple present or it is in simple past? Great. This sentence is in simple present. Why do we know? Because we can see subject, we can see verb 1, right? We can see subject, we can see verb 1. So we know that this is in simple present. How about this one? This is negative in simple past. Why we know? Because we can see subject, we can see didn't, and we can see verb 1. Remember, everyone, negative in simple past, we have subject, didn't, and verb 1. Great. This one also in negative simple past, right? We can see subject, didn't, and verb 1. Okay, how about this sentence, everyone? This is affirmative in simple past, right? Great. Why? Because we can see subject, verb 2, right? Subject and verb 2. This is verb 2, right? Great. Verb 2 of the verb go. How about number 5? Both teams wanted to win. So this is also affirmative in simple past. Why we know? Because we can see subject, verb at e, verb at ed, right? Subject plus verb at e, ed. So we can say this is affirmative in simple past. Great, everyone. So now we have noon, the meaning as well as the tense or the functions of each sentence already. So now we are coming to exercise in section C. You can turn on page 37 in our workbook. You will see this exercise. So before we do this exercise, I will explain to you how to do it. So you need to listen and write whatever you hear from the audio track. You need to write it down in the blank, right? So now I give you 5 minutes to listen to this audio track and then we will check together. Okay, everyone, let's start.
C. Listen and write. 1,
How often do you go hiking?
I go almost every weekend.
2,
What did they do on Friday?
They played basketball together.
3,
Why did she lose?
She was tired before the game started.
'Okay, everyone, so after you have listened to the audio track and you have written down the answer, you have filled in the blank already. So now it's time for us to check the answer. Okay, number 1, I will read for you. How do you go skiing? How what, everyone? Great. How often? How often? Great. How often do you go skiing? How about B, everyone? Okay, we have number 1A and number 1B. How about number 1B, everyone? Great. I go almost every weekend. Great. I go almost every weekend. Okay, now we are coming to number 2A and number 2B. What is it, everyone? What they do on Friday. What did, right? What did they do on Friday? How about number 2B, everyone? Great. They play together. Play what, everyone? Play basketball, right? They play basketball together. Great. So now we have finished number 1, number 2 already. We are coming to number 3. Okay, number 3A. What is it? Why did she what, everyone? Yes. Why did she lose? Why did she lose? How about B? She was tired. She was tired, right? She was tired before the game started. Great, everyone. So read the words with me. Often, weekend, did, basketball, lose, tired. Great, everyone. So now we have finished section C already, and we are coming to section D. So now I want you all to turn on page 37 and look at the picture, right? Look at the picture and then try to listen to the audio track. What is the audio track about? I want you to do is you need to write or match the letter to each picture from what you have heard from our audio track. So I give you 5 minutes to listen to the audio track and try to match the letter to the picture. So let's start.
D. Listen. Write the letter that matches the picture. A.
She didn't go skiing yesterday. She went fishing.
B.
His team didn't win the basketball game.
C.
The orange team scored a goal.
D.
He is on the tennis team at school.
Great, everyone. So after you have spent 5 minutes to listen to the audio track, and I hope that you have matched the letters to the picture already. So now I want you all to turn on page 37 and look at the picture. So look at the first picture, everyone. Look at the boy. Is he happy? No, he isn't, right? Maybe something made him not happy. How about the second picture? Look at the man. What is he doing? Yeah, maybe he is celebrating something. Maybe he scored the goals, right? How about the third picture? Look at the girl. What is she doing? Yes, she is fishing, right? How about number 4? Look at the boy. What is he doing? Great. He is holding racket, right? He may be playing tennis. So I hope that after you have listened to the audio track and you have looked at the pictures, you have choose the correct letters to match to each picture already. Now please check with me, everyone. Number 1, what is it? Great. Number 1 is B. Okay. Number 2, what is it? Great. Number 2 is C. How about number 3? Number C, letter A. The last one, letter D. Great, everyone. This is our lesson today, and I hope that you all enjoy our lesson. So do not forget to do more exercise, especially homework and classwork that your teacher sent to you. Please do it and submit to your homeroom teachers. Goodbye everyone. See you next time.